Assalamu alaikum viewers with the Media College, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, in this video you can learn how to use advanced techniques for a logo animation. So let's start. Create new composition 9020 by 1080. Okay, rename, and now import your logo in Adobe Illustrator file. Okay, now right click and pre-compose and rename. Okay, and now apply the effect bevel alpha. uh, Change the thickness to 5 and light intensity to 1. Now apply the CC light sweep. Go to first frame and add keyframe at center. Change the position. Set position here and go forward at 4 seconds and change position here. Okay, now change the sweep intensity to 45 and it's to 80. Seventy is best. Okay, now apply it again. CC light sweep. Go to first frame, add keyframe, and set position here, and rotate it 90 degree. Okay, now go to forward to 4 second and change position again like this. Okay, now apply the gradient ramp, drag and drop at the top. Okay, here you can change the color. Okay, now create duplicate of placeholder by Control D and delete all effects and rename to wedges. Now apply the effect wedges. Okay, change the segment value to 1 and width to 4. Midpoint opacity to minus 0.500 and midpoint position to 0.300. Okay, now change the color which you want. Okay, now double click on placeholder, right click on your logo and create shapes from vector layer. Okay, enable the bottom layer, go to here. Okay, now change the blending mode to transparent. Okay, and now press and hold alt key and click on rotation, uh, left click. Okay, type here time star 200. Okay, go to go forward at 4 second and add keyframe on start opacity and forward at 6 second and change the value to 0. Okay, now create a duplicate layer and change its sorry, first undo and apply the effect glow and change threshold to 85, radius to 75. Okay, now create duplicate effect by Control D. Okay, once more. Okay, oh, change the logo holder composition setting and its size to 3000 by 1000 and scale your logo. Okay, now go back to main and scale down and set the position. Okay, okay, now create duplicate of wedges by Control D and once more Control D. Select wedges 2 layer and change the color to white and wedges 3 layer change color to red. And change the blending mode to screen. Okay, now change the position by press P and like this and change position wedges 2. Okay, now select wedges 2 and change midpoint opacity to